Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your device isn't compatible error on Play Store. So, if you see your device isn't compatible with this version on Play Store, don't worry, it is fixable. So, one of the things that you can do is clear the Google Play Store cache and data. What you'll have to do is simply keep clicking on the application and make sure to go and click on the I button. So, if you don't have the option, you can just go on Access Settings, Apps, and click on Google Play Store. From here, make sure to go and click on the bottom right corner icon, Clear Data. Once you do so, make sure to clear both the cache and data, so clear or click on Clear All Data. Once you do so, you would like to repeat that for Google Play Services and Google Services Framework. Once you do so, you'll have to reboot your phone. Make sure to go and reboot it, and then you can go and check if it's working for you or not. If not, you might be running an old Play Store file. So you can go and update it manually. You can make sure to download the latest Play Store APK. Go and download it from wherever you want and install both, of course, the APK or Google Play Store and Google Play Services APK, and install both and then restart your phone again. Install from an unknown source. Problem may appear to you, so make sure to enable the install from unknown sources, especially if you're trying to download this as APK. Also, one of the things that can help you is check your system for updates. So go as example to your settings, and from there, make sure to go into your phone. For me, as example, my phone. For you, you might find software updates. Just go and click on it and make sure to check for updates. And if there's any available, make sure to update it and restart it. One of the things also that can help you is install the app using an APK. If the Play Store wouldn't let you, as example, you can just go and open Play Store, and it doesn't let you install some kind of an application. You can just go and visit like apkpure.com or apkmirror.com and search for the app, and you can download the latest compatible version or APK version, and you can install it manually. Make sure you're downloading from a trusted site only. Do not download from anywhere. And I guess the last thing that you can try is remove and re-add your Google account as a last resort. If it all fails, sometimes it's even a region issue. You can try to use as an example a VPN and go and create a new email account and go and switch to that email account once you try to create or to download that application. You can always, example, go to settings and go to your Google account and remove your account and simply restart your phone and add the account back. Then you can try again in Play Store. And if that didn't work, as I said, you may want to try to change your region, but you cannot change the region of an account that you already created. So you'll have to go and use a VPN and create an account using that VPN. Then you can go and log into that account on your Play Store. Then you can go into it and try to install the application without any problem. So normally those are the common causes of this error. It says either an outdated OS, a region restriction, incompatible hardware, or even Play Store glitches. So if it's like incompatible hardware, apps may require newer chip or sensors. That means there's no way to fix that. If it's a Play Store glitch, that means cache or sync issues cause false error. We already talked about how to fix that error. If it's a region restriction, apps will not be available in your country, and you can just go and do the option that I told you to, or that I tell you to create, an example, a Google account using a VPN. Then you can go and log into it, and this will fix it. And if it's an outdated US or operating system, you can just go, the app will require a new Android version. You can just go and update it and you should be good to go. And just as a pro tip, you can even use another tools or another stores other than the App Store, like an Aurora store as an alternative. If you want to download apps directly from Google without Play Store, you can use Aurora Store. It is safe, it is open source alternative, and it will let you install applications even if your phone is marked as incompatible. And when you just open the application, if it's a hardware issue, you'll not be able to play it smoothly as if you have good compatible issues, or if you don't have compatible issues, but it will still let you download it. So the store called like Aurora Store, you can go and look it up. So it's Aurora Store. I don't think it will be available in like App Store. You'll have to download it as APK as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.